people, Mosha again, from Mosha Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic, coming to you. And remember this, if you don't have time to wait, we don't have time to cook. So watch this. I have a few people here. This gentleman, I just made him some Rastaman rings with some rice and peas. I'm gonna ask him, how is it? And this is what he had to say. How was it, brother?
Hey, MOSHAS is best chicken, the best jerk chicken I've ever had.
Chicken wing, right?
Much worth the wait.
Thank you.
I'll be back. Thank you very much.
That's what
awesome.
That's what he said. I made him that. You know that?
Beautiful.
He said it's well worth the wait. So I wanted him to put that on the camera. No. This is the fireman from Jamaica. From him coming at the place, him there in yard. So him not even worry. Me never there, him just come in, come sit down. Rude boy. Tell the people about yourself.
You what I'm say? Family. The place we call MOSHA Reggae Lounge. It just up like the cloud.
There you go.
It just a bust the cloud.
Blood.
We can't tell you nothing more.
Nothing more.
To miss it is to diss it.
There you go.
Just come and work the wait.
Yes.
And work with the time.
There you go,
Time
Bridget.
is greatly appreciated.
There you go, Bridget.
Put everything in the time.
There you go. You don't know.
He's not a chef by trade.
There you go. He know.
What him learn
From his grandmother.
And
Family.
Doing things.
There you go.
Him take him time and him put him hard.
There you go.
Corona me I drink about 3 hours.
He must drink about a dozen Corona already.
I'm not lying. Word
No,
away.
but there you go.
New York City and London, trust me. Anytime you're in the DR, this is the place to be.
Yes.
Once you come down the set, then make the first left.
There you go.
Boom him there on the left. Clear left, we're not working the right.
There you go. No righteous thing we are dealing with. A left turn we are dealing. Yo, when I leave and I come back, I see my brother sit down and I play. I said, that brother look like a Jamaican. So I asked the girl, she said, yeah, I think he's Jamaican. I said, yeah, so I'm never going to hear him up. But he was patient enough. Him sit down here so all morning, wait for me. I just get a chance to set him up, cook him little food, and now him nice. So, boom shaka tap my fireman. Enough respect.
Yes, all the way, 100%. We say MOSHA Reggae Lounge.
See it there? MOSHA's Reggae Lounge. And I thank to this gentleman for sitting down and waiting. And I cooked some food for these people. It's a group of them. The rest of them is on the beach and they're sitting down relaxing. I want them to tell you, how was the food, guys?
That was delicious. Good.
Excellent. They had
Well worth the wait.
There you go. Yeah, here you go again. And they came at 10:30, order, go on the beach and sit down. This is how we do it here, folks. We are not chef. We just cook with love. That's how we stay at Jamaica. Nothing no partial, nothing no martial. Yo, in the Dominican Republic, MOSHA's Reggae Lounge, coming to you from the sun, the Dominican Republic.
Well, friend, text a friend, Facebook a friend.
There you go.
Friend,
Yes,
a friend.
there you go. You can do anything a friend, see?
And you never tell me that.
No, but you figure it out. There you go. So people, MOSHA out, boom shaka attack, come sit down and wait. Remember, if you don't have time to wait, we don't have time to cook out.